Michael Misias. Ball is up and we are underway. Negros wins the tip. Waits for Porter, and Chris Porter lays it in, protecting the basketball with his left hand there. Muna si Kani. Hubert will fire. Yes! And that's the first basket para sa Negros.
Good screen.
Jong Baloria, three-pointer, off. O'Neal rin with the offensive rebound, and he's been getting a lot of minutes this season under coach.
Pag basketball, wala.
And RJ Ramirez knocks down the jumper. 6-4. Leaves it to Una. The jumper is good.
James Una with 3 points. Good recognition by
Comia swings it over to Renz Palma. Three ball is good para kay Renz Palma.
good recognition by Comia. Kita niya libre itong si Ren.
Shot clock winding down. Mark Cruz.
Good.
Ablaza. Hand off to Arim. Cruz. Oh, banks in the three. So 5 straight points para kay Mark Cruz. And it's nabas kay Ramos. Libre si Comia. Attacks baseline. Layup is good.
Initially, akala ko meron na siya ng 3-point shot. Pero because of his speed, naiwan niya ito.
MJ De La Vergen to RJ Ramirez. The crossover. The left-handed finish.
Good recognition. 4 points para dito kay Ramirez. Pero
The first quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first, you maintain that eh.
exactly, parang yung saying na parang if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So, itong Batangas talaga.
Ramos looking for a way through. Antiporda corner three is good.
Antiporda making something out of nothing. Ganda.
Comia. Nagmamadali. Spin move. Jeff Comia, that's a specialty.
Yeah, 4
Bound. Back to Ablaza. The extra pass to Jexter. Another chance para kay Jexter Apinan.
Apinan not giving up 4 points across his name, getting that offensive rebound.
And De La Vergen puts it in.
Good read by De La Vergen. Na
24-16. Jeremy Cruz. Yes, sir. Should be aware of that because si Jeremy Cruz,
they're only down by 5.
Asuncion corner three is good.
Kakasabi ko lang na they're down by 5. Ngayon, kailangan ko nang sabihin na they're down by 8 because we had Don Hontiveros and Danny Siegel to name a few. But Jexter Apinan, known for that fast break itong
Ochea. Attacks, drop pass, Sid Ablaza.
good drive, good dish off. Ablaza with 4.
RJ Ramirez, here's Comia. Rushes down the court and gives it up to Renz Palma for the 2 points. Well here in the second quarter. RJ Ramirez rises and knocks down the three.
Hirap ng 3-pointer na yun. 7 points across his name.
5 seconds remaining. RJ Ramirez will pull up. That's good. 10 points para kay RJ Ramirez. Halftime score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first. Kani for 3. Yes, good start para sa Negros dito. 37-28. Comia ahead to James Una. Gathers and scores with the left hand.
Good find. Now, only a 7-point lead by Batangas.
Comia. Palma will go all the way to the cup. Renz Palma, 11 points in the ball game. Palma will go all the way for the throwdown. Renz Palma, 13 points. Ataba with the steal. Comia is ahead of the pack and he will score the 2 points.
And another fast break para dito sa Negros. Comia.
38-36. Fast break points, 14 for Negros, 2 lang para sa Batangas. Cruz, the one-hander. Finally, a field goal para dito sa Batangas. 8 points para kay Mark Cruz. Na the third quarter, they've fought their way back from the deficit at halftime. Cruz feeling it as well. And whether he completes the three-point play.
All of them.
Cruz again. Mark Cruz on a tear here in the third. 13 points. Kick out to Longa. Three-pointer on the way. Nothing but net. Para kay Pio Longa. Uncanny. The extra pass. Jeremy Cruz. Yes, sir! 49. Drops it off. Don Ochea. Short stab is good. Masyado malapit yun para kay Don Ochea. No good. Atabay beats everyone to the offensive rebound. Longa again!
Second three-pointer for Longa's special third quarter.
Delaverhan got the step and the layup is good. Team right there. Nakatawid ang Batangas. Ablasa looking to attack. Shoves Atabay away and said Ablasa scored itong Batangas by 9 points here in the third. The left-handed scoop. No good. Apinan cleans it up. 8 points para kay Jexter Apinan. The end of the third quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the FPBL. The first. Cruz wants to dance the fade away. We will get the roll. Jeremy Cruz, 8 points in the contest.
That shot.
He has got good size at the 2 and the 3 position to si Jeremy Cruz. And syempre yung shooting niya nandyan as Jexter Apinan get his pivot foot rin. Ochea drop pass and Ablasa got hit and he scores as well. Ayoko na.
Itigil na natin to.
Ang dami yung inis.
Lumilipad. As Atabay sinks that pass.
Grabe.
Two-pointer para
Grabe.
dito sa Negros.
They have the advantage here. Kanye ang nakabantay kay Importante. There's a double team. Swings it over to JC Asuncion. Corner three.
Good find. Good recognition. Asuncion with
Palma attacks. Oh, what a move.
ang layo ng pinagtalunan niya. Ito si Renz Palma already with 15 points.
Jong. Nakahiga na si Jong Baloria doon.
Tough jumper. Merong kamay sa mukha pero walang problema.
Comia. Jumper from Jeff Comia.
Bilis naman binawi ni Comia but this is still a 7-point lead.
Jong. The fadeaway. Same spot, no good. Ablasa inside and he gets the basket plus the foul. 11 points para kay Sed Ablasa.
This is the fifth win with one loss as Jexter Apinan adds to the
Up against Lunor. And Palma. Bumuelo, step back three. Is good. And held on after withstanding that run by Negros. Our player of the game brought to you by Buenas is Mark Cruz. Had 14 points in the ball game, and more importantly, yung crucial na 8 straight dun sa third quarter kung saan ang Negros was making a run, and that really stopped yung run ng Negros.
which is very important. I think that's what dictated that ball game kasi Marcus was able to stop itong Negros.
Final score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball ending sa Pinas.